Hello, welcome to our Fluid Art Bear tutorial, and first step, prepare materials, pouring acrylic paint, gloves, cups, brushes, and of course your bear. Okay, so for first starters, you need to wet the joints with all the paint, so later the paint can flow down easily. Use the lightest color you have. Okay, we are a bit more. Okay, so all the joints are wet with the paint. You see, so that the paint later can go down. And the neck, Okay. Start pouring from dark colors first. Then take your bowl and pour in the second medium tone color. Then the lightest color. Okay, once you're ready, you can start to pour. Start from the head first. Then over the ears area also. If you do have some left, you can still pour from the back of the bear. Wow, okay, now I'm gonna do one more layer. Turn the bag around and then start pouring from head downwards. Some portion of the area, as you will notice, will not have the paint. So you will need to use the brush and start brushing inside. It doesn't matter if the inside is used with the brush to paint because you can't really see it, so just use the brush and fill up the white area. Continue to pour at areas where the paint is not filled up, and also use the brush to help you with a bit. Keep pouring at areas where you can see the white that is not filled up, and also use the brush to help you to fill up the small little areas. You will notice that the lower bottom legs are also not filled up, so you can try to scoop up the remaining paint and not waste it, and start painting the inside of the legs. Here, I'll just pour from the leg because this angle is a bit difficult, so you can still use a brush to help you. This is considered very tricky for beginners because the bear has a very odd shape and it is not a flat canvas. Now that we are done with the back, we turn to the front and start tilting the bear a little bit. Don't worry about the part of the ear, we'll fix it later. So just try to pour from the neck onwards. Yeah, so this will help to let the paint flow nicely down. Now I'm almost done, so I'll just pour the remaining paint on the ear where I touched it just now. We're almost done, so we'll just use the remaining paint and touch up the sides and the insides where it's unreachable. Okay, voila! We're done with our bear, and here's the entire outlook of how it looks like. reels, subscribe to us at I Am Different But No Less. Thanks for watching. Bye!